There we go. Alright, just a short update. We have a storm coming in, so I can't hang around too long, and I got to a good spot. So, it's just from a tutorial, but for us at Socially at Ease, what this will mean is I'm now learning where everything is. And so I'm taking really good notes on what they all do, so that way I can start playing around, which I've already have. So the beauty of all this is, instead of making that, yeah, this is how it looks in render with the sun. Now just so you see the difference. So then when I run this though, let's see. You know when to emit light. It's not enough to actually do anything. It's a very, very, very low value. I was just playing around with colors. So this means I can find every face, I can find every vertice, I can find every point. I know how to move it through the XYZ, and then I can change the alpha layers on colors. So I should be able to create a really nice dance line without a whole lot of rigging. I think I can do it through code. So this could happen, guys, so stay tuned.